What's going on? This is Naifa. I'm here with Randy and Rich. Guys, tell us a little bit about what exactly you do and how you advocate for the insurance industry.
Well, I'll start. We promise to do three things for our members. Promise to advocate on their behalf, do it both at the federal level in DC and in every state capital across the country. We promise to educate, make them better advisors for their clients, make more money, last long in the industry. And we promise what we call differentiate. We help them stand out from the competition down the street. They're part of the Naifa family. They're tuned into what we're doing, and that's always better for the client. I work at the national level. Every state in the country has a chapter. Rich here is from California.
California.
He's the incoming president for California, fighting the good fight out in Cali. For instance, this year we're fighting the Department of Labor in their fiduciary-only standard. Not good for the industry, it's worse. Rich, do you want to talk about what's going on in California, what you guys are doing?
California, we're constantly fighting fights in California. We recently had AB 263, which was a commission disclosure that we kind of fought against. Newsom signed that into law, and it passed. So because of Naifa and our membership, our 130-year tradition, grassroots tradition of advocating for our members, as well as the clients that we serve. That's what we do.
That's awesome. This is Naifa, and they can insure you too.